In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Dropbox activity. Dropbox activity is a useful feature that lets you see what has happened to your files over time. This includes things like uploads, edits, deletions, shares, and renamed files. It's especially helpful if you want to track recent changes, confirm that a file was updated, or review actions inside shared folders. To get started, open Dropbox in your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Once you're there, log into your account. Make sure you're signing into the correct account if you use more than one, since activity will only appear for the account and folders you have access to. After you've signed in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the Activity section. Click on Activity to open it. In some Dropbox layouts, this section may be labeled Events instead, so if you don't see activity right away, look for Events and select that. Dropbox occasionally changes its interface slightly, but both options lead you to the same kind of information. Once the page opens, you'll be able to review file actions connected to your account. This is where Dropbox shows a timeline of changes. You may see uploaded files, which tells you when new files were added. You can also see edited files, so you know when documents or other content were changed. Deleted files will appear here too, which can be very helpful if you're trying to figure out why something is missing. In addition to that, Dropbox activity can show shared folder actions, which helps you understand when folders were shared or when collaboration-related changes happened. You may also see renamed files, which is useful if a file seems to have disappeared but was actually just given a new name. If you want to narrow down what you're seeing, you can use the available filter options. This step is optional, but it can make the activity page much easier to read, especially if there has been a lot of file movement. You can choose a date range to focus on a specific time period, select a file type if you're looking for certain kinds of files, and in shared folders, you may also be able to filter by user activity to see who made particular changes. That's all there is to it. Checking Dropbox activity on the website is one of the best ways to stay informed about what's happening with your files and shared content. If you need a clear record of recent changes, this is the fastest place to look.